Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2623, points to a high-pressure fuel pump spill valve malfunction in the 2022 Honda Civic. This specific malfunction occurs when the high-pressure fuel pump behaves unexpectedly compared to the commands provided by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM is the vehicle's brain, managing various engine functions, including fuel injection systems. When discrepancies are detected, the PCM triggers this DTC to flag a potential issue with fuel delivery. Understanding this code is crucial for proper diagnosis, as it can affect engine performance. Accurate troubleshooting is essential to identify the root cause and ensure reliable operation of the vehicle. The P2623 code indicates a malfunction pertaining mainly to the high-pressure fuel pump, which is responsible for supplying fuel to the engine at the required pressure. The fuel control solenoid within the pump itself plays a critical role by regulating fuel flow based on engine requirements. This solenoid is situated within the fuel pump assembly, typically located in the fuel tank or along the fuel line. The PCM, located in the engine compartment, monitors the performance of these components and issues commands to adjust fuel delivery. The injector relay aids in controlling the power supply for the fuel injectors and can also trigger an associated DTC if it fails. When any component within this system underperforms or fails, the PCM detects the discrepancy and logs the P2623 code. Several factors can lead to the P2623 DTC being set. First, a malfunction in the injector relay can disrupt the power supply to the fuel injectors, failing to deliver adequate fuel when needed. Secondly, issues with the external circuits, such as shorted or open wires in the B-INJO, FI main RLYCL, or INJ-RLY out circuits can cause signal loss between the PCM and the fuel system components. Additionally, a failure in the high-pressure fuel pump itself could prevent it from operating correctly, thereby affecting fuel pressure. Finally, if all other components check out, the PCM may be at fault, as it controls the fuel pump based on the input signals it receives. The symptoms associated with the P2623 code can directly impact the vehicle's performance. Drivers may experience poor acceleration, delayed throttle response, or an inability to maintain consistent speed, indications of inadequate fuel delivery. In some cases, the engine may fail to start altogether, often leading to frustration for owners. Increased fuel consumption can also occur, as the vehicle adjusts to the malfunction to compensate inadequately. Furthermore, engine stalling could manifest while driving, which poses safety risks on the road. Recognizing these symptoms early can result in quicker troubleshooting and less extensive repairs. The initial troubleshooting step involves starting the vehicle's engine. If the engine does not start immediately, it's necessary to crank it for about 20 seconds to allow potential fuel system components to activate. Once the engine is running, or during cranking, check the power supply to the injector relay and other components like the H-pump H and H-pump L. Monitoring control signals from the PCM will help in identifying whether it commands a consistent signal to the fuel system. If irregularities are found here, it suggests that the issue might stem from the PCM or several circuit failures. The next diagnostic step is to perform a test on the injector relay. This is crucial as the relay controls power to the fuel injectors. Inspect the external circuits, including B-INJ, FI main RLI CL, and INJ RLI out. Understanding the condition of these circuits will reveal if there are any breaks or shorts causing signal failures. Furthermore, evaluate the H-pump circuits for both high and low supply, ensuring both circuits function correctly. Testing these components ultimately narrows down the root cause of the malfunction. Next, focus on the high-pressure fuel pump and conduct a thorough inspection. assess the fuel control solenoid. Since it regulates fuel pressure, any malfunction here can directly lead to code P2623. It's essential to evaluate the solenoid circuit for continuity and resistance. Ensure that there is less than 1 ohm of resistance, pointing to healthy internal wiring. If the inspection reveals any abnormal readings, it suggests the solenoid or the entire fuel pump may need replacement. Addressing these components frequently resolve the issues indicated by the DTC. After assessing all other components, the final step is to inspect the PCM. If all previous tests have indicated normal sequences, the PCM could be the sole issue. Checking for additional DTCs recorded can aid in confirming the PCM's performance under varying conditions. Use Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to verify the operational readiness of the PCM, ensuring it sends appropriate commands to fuel system components. If the PCM is indicated as faulty, replacing it may become necessary to resolve ongoing fuel delivery issues and clear the DTC. After completing all repairs relating to the DTC P2623, clear the trouble codes stored in the vehicle's system using a diagnostic tool. Following this, it's imperative to conduct a comprehensive road test. During the test, monitor the vehicle for any reappearance of symptoms and ensure all systems function within normal parameters. Observe engine performance and response to throttle input to verify a successful repair. If no anomalies arise, this confirms that the issue is resolved and the vehicle is ready for regular operation. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P2623, implementing a robust maintenance schedule is essential. Regularly checking the entire fuel system can ensure early detection of any potential issues with the fuel pump or solenoids. Additionally, inspecting PCM connections for corrosion or damage can preemptively address data communication issues. Keeping the wiring harness intact, free of chafing or wear, will minimize circuit problems that could lead to faults. Regular maintenance not only enhances vehicle reliability, but also enriches the overall driving experience. In conclusion, DTC P2623 signifies a malfunction of the high-pressure fuel pump spill valve, with essential components including the PCM, fuel pump, and injector relay. Effective troubleshooting and diagnostics are critical in accurately identifying the fault source and ensuring a thorough repair. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps can lead to finding the root cause, whether it be a component malfunction or an electrical issue in the circuit. Adhering to preventive maintenance guidelines will significantly increase the longevity and reliability of fuel systems in the Honda Civic. Overall, understanding the symptoms and causes will save time and provide better service to customers facing this trouble code. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.